Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus MK3 third generation. This should cover years 2012-2018 and we'll show you where to find the fuse for the steering wheel module, guys. So if you have a code or anything like that, please subscribe, guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on these car. Videos will be made all the time. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can here at the shop by providing you free videos and teach you how to fix your car for free. So as you know, there is a fuse box under the hood and there is a fuse box behind the glove box. We'll need to go and locate the one behind the glove box. Now you will notice that our glove box is actually missing. We removed it. You do not have to remove it. The only reason why we removed it is so we can get the camera in there and show you exactly where all the fuses are and we have more room to work with. All you have to do, okay, you see that cover here? This needs to be removed. Pull those things down like that and pull the cover out. And when you come down there, you see this is your BCM body control module and that's where the fuses are located. Now the one for the steering module, it's a fuse number 72, and if you notice, next to every fuse on the top right corner there is a number. So this one, 72, is the second one from top to bottom, from bottom to top, excuse me, the second row from left to right. So 7.5 amp fuse in our case, so I'll go ahead, okay, pull it out, and let me show you now the new fuses. Okay, all the parts and tools, guys, that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. This is amazing deal, check it out. We'll get a 7.5 amp fuse. Okay, in our case it's a brown one. Those are super easy to diagnose too. You can see the element inside, super easy. So we'll just go ahead and install it now. Okay, perfect. So this is it, guys. That's the module, that's the fuse for the steering wheel module. If you have a code that relates to it, that could fix it, always check that fuse. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys.
Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.